Hey everyone, welcome back. So you have started your own business, right? Your new business, new venture. Awesome. Now you are probably thinking, what do I tell people about it without spending a ton of money? Branding and promoting your new business in cheap, somehow it's free. Well, good news. Today we are going to talk about easy ways to get your business noticed online and build a name for yourself. Even if you don't have a big budget, let's begin our today's topic with a smile. Let me introduce myself. I am SK, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe for online money making ideas, business promotion, branding, and a lot more. Okay, come to the topic now. I have divided it in 3 sections so that we can easily understand it properly. So, section number 1, getting set up online. Simple steps. First thing you need is a place online where people can find you. And guess what? It doesn't have to be expensive. Now let's elaborate on this section point by point so that you can understand properly. I request you watch it fully so that you can know about it bit by bit. So this is point number 1. Your online spot means website, social media like this, right? Think of it like this. You need a simple online shop window. You can use free tools like Google Business Profile to show up on maps. I have given you a link on my description below. Go and check it out. And if you need any further help, then tell me on comment below. I will help you out, right? Then create a basic website with easy builders like Hostinger, Wix, or Google Sites. There are a lot more also. I have just given a short example of that. Here, Wix and Google Sites, they have free options. Then pick 1 or 2 social media sites where you think your customers might be hanging out, like Facebook, Instagram, a lot more things. Okay, so go and check out on that. Then point number 2, know who you are talking to before you start telling everyone about your business. Think about who you want to reach. What do they like? Where do they spend their time online? Knowing this helps you focus your efforts. Then point number 3, share helpful stuff, means even a little bit. Try write short blog post, making quick videos, or sharing useful tips on social media. When you help people out, they are more likely to pay attention to your business, and it does not cost much more, right? So now let's discuss our next section 2, easy ways to get noticed. Means things you can do without spending much on this. Okay, you have got your online spot set up, right? Now you get your people to actually see it without spending a lot of cash or anything like that, right? So how to do this? Let's discuss on this point. I'm saying it point by point. So here, point number 1, use social media smartly. How can you do that? Don't just post about your products all the time. Share helpful advice. So your goes on behind the scenes. Means people like that, right? So do it like this. And talk to your followers. Ask simple questions to get people involved. Then point number 2 in this, that is, make Google your friend. Means it's basic SEO. When we talk about SEO, means search engine optimizations, it sounds complicated, right? But the basics are easy. Just use words that people might type into Google. I mean to say that when they are looking for what you offer, put these words on your websites and social media. I hope you got it, right? So now point number 3, that is, start a simple email list. Even a small list of email addresses can be really useful. Why? Because offer something free like a little guide or a discount like this. It can be a lot more for your customer. If people sign up on your website or social media, then send them emails with helpful info, not just sales stuff all the time. Okay, you just do something different and extra for your customers. Do extra and get extra, right? So next, point number 4, that is, talk to people online and maybe in person. Join online groups or forums related to your business and offer helpful advice. if you can go to local events and meet people. Sometimes talking to people directly can make a big difference. Okay, now let's discuss our next section, that is section number 3, building your name without big spending. Making people remember you, right? We have to create a brand on that. Okay, so I will guide you all these things. Building your brand is just about making people feel like a certain way when they think of your business. And the thing is that you don't need a lot of money to do this. How? Let's discuss this also, that is in point by point. So here it is, point number 1, that is know what you stand for. Means what's the main idea behind your business, then what problems are you solving, right? Like this, be clear about what's important to you. This will guide everything you do, right? So now discuss point number 2. Keep things looking similar, means use the same colors or same kind of letters, right? What we are talking, like fonts, right? Fonts, make it same and similar, right? And the same overall look on your online places. This makes your business look professional and easy to recognize. There are free tools online to help you pick your colors and fonts. Now let's discuss about point number 3, tell your story. People like to know why you started your business. Storytelling is necessary. How? I will tell you right now. What made you want to do this? What makes you different? Being real helps people connect with you. So now let's talk about point number 4, that is make your customers happy. When people have a great experience with your business, they will tell their friends, and that's free advertising, isn't it? Try to go the extra mile for your first customers. Extra delight. Okay, so that's it. Getting your new business out there and building a brand without spending a lot of money is totally possible, isn't it? After listening all this, you can also say that yes, it is possible, right? It takes some work and you need to keep doing it, but by focusing on these simple things, you can definitely get noticed without emptying your bank account. Share this video if you like this and ask me anything if you want to know more about it. Well, which of these ideas are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video was helpful, please give me it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy business tips and online money making ideas and a lot more on this. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.